Welcome to the video on the Ecriver. To start the Ecriver, click the fountain pen icon on the toolbar. Then click the Ecriver icon, which is the blue hat. The first time you open the Ecriver, it may take a few seconds to load. The Ecriver helps you write by correcting texts that are greatly misspelled or phonetically written. The Ecriver itself consists of one rectangle, this rectangle, which will be divided into two rectangles as you write and correct your sentences. This space here is where you will write your sentences. I recommend that you write 2 or 3 sentences at a time. On the right are found two icons. As you write, more icons will appear. The keyboard and speaker icon allows you to open and use the key echo in the Ecriver. If you click the flask icon, you will be able to add proper noun, word, and expression to the Ecriver. Why add new words? Because the system recognizes 700,000 words, but some words, such as common names, names of cities, or very specific words, may not be recognized. When a word is not recognized, click the flask icon. Even if you're not sure whether your desired word is included or not in the system, add it following this procedure. Let's say, for an example, you will add a proper noun. In this space, beside oral form, you will want to write a word the way you would write it. Let's say you want to add Canada, and you write Canada with a K. Then you write the written form, which is the correct spelling of the word you want to write. You can click the speaker icon on the right to actually listen to the oral form you wrote. If it sounds okay, you click Add. And the word was added to the vocabulary of the system. So I'm going to write a sentence that is phonetically written. Then you click the speaker icon that just appeared on the right to listen to the sentence.
Language is the means of getting an idea from my brain into yours without surgery.
Of course, you can change the speed of the reading from the setting icon if you want to slow down the reading, which I forgot to do. But what we just heard is exactly what I intended to write. So if by clicking the speaker icon, the sentence that you hear is what you want to write, then you can click the hat icon to transcribe the sentence. Then the main rectangle divides into two rectangles, and in the lower one you will find the sentence corrected. You can click to the second speaker icon next to the second rectangle to listen to the new sentence. If everything is correct, you can click the parchment icon and either copy the right sentence in your clipboard or send it to the Medialexy editor. Before transcribing a sentence, make sure the sentence you hear the first time you click on the speaker icon is pronounced correctly. Otherwise, the sentence will be transcribed with mistakes. Also, try not to write 2 or 3 word sentences, because the system bases its analysis on the context. Let me show you an example. I click the speaker icon to listen to it.
His brother used to live on an island.
That's what I want to write. I click the blue hat. And notice that the word BRODER was transcribed to BROTHER. Now if I write another sentence, I click the
This
speaker
is
icon
part of a broader attempt to invade planet Earth.
and click the hat icon. This time, the word BRODER, according to the context, was transcribed to the word BROADER. So as you can see, the system bases its analysis on the context in the Ecriver, which makes it very powerful. To conclude, remember that you have to listen to the sentences you initially write. If they don't sound how they should sound, verify the spelling of some words, as the transcription will not be accurate. You can now move to the next video.